Guys, no, don't tie this one. Because
Tie it all over
this,
here.
yeah, no, this is in the floor. This one on top.
That's on top?
Mm-mm.
Why isn't this the floor? So the
No.
coat can fall down through there.
Ah, okay. Don't tie it. How can you open it? Just tie it here.
I'll tie it right here also.
Like that.
No, this way.
Okay. All of that for. Ah.
Go back inside.
Ah. I'm gonna tie this too. You get only one? You get one only? Why?
Well, where'd my knife go? Yeah, here, you want this?
No, only this.
Oh, just the one? Like that?
Yeah.
The corner needs to be tied down there. Gotta tie this corner down.
Only here.
Yeah.
Can I have? I'm going to tie here also. There. There, I'm very excited now. There. Now, I'm gonna bring this there now. Ayan guys, dali na namin yung cage doon sa mga chick-chick ko guys. I'm gonna bring this there at the back. Gonna put at the back.
Huh?
There. On that
Well,
side.
I would take them out and put them inside there so we can get that cleaned up.
And then we will put the row at the back. Very easy to clean. The row.
Huh?
The row. I will put this one here. Oh. Here. Close to the canal. It's very easy to clean there. Just spray it. Huh? Huh?
Just go out there and put it in there.
Yeah. Ayan guys. Ito na yung cage guys ginawa namin. Oh. Ngayon nalalagay na namin dito yung chick-chick.
Are you got coffee?
Yeah.
Put water in here?
Yes. Yeah. Oh my God. Where's the other one chicken? Tick! Come here, Tick. Aray ko. Ano ba yun? Teka muna. Tapos, yan. Halika, Tik! Come here, Tik! Halika! Halika!
get something to put in there.
Mm-mm. It's like a cardboard. Tik-tik. Guys, ayan na guys, yan na. Ano tik ko? Ayan na sila guys, oh, nakakulong na. Kulong kayo ngayon dyan na. Kasi linisin ko yung bahay nyo pa ko. Chick now. My chick. This is the cage we made. Ayan yung ginawa ni Apam guys, o naming dalawa tinalitan. Hi, Chick! How are you? Laki na nila, guys. Ayan, oh. Dito lang sa likod ng bahay namin nilagay sa may garden. Kasi maganda daw po yung pupo nila. Pampataba po sa mga laman. Ayan sila, guys. Oh. Hello! Hello, Chick! Parang gusto ko ilipat ng silalim ng puno. Nainitan ata sila, guys. Wait, guys. Lipat natin doon, guys. Lipat natin sila, ha? Doon. Kasi kawawa, guys. Dito lang ba kayo? Ha? Yan lang kayo. Sila, guys. Yan lang kayo, ha? Yan. Meron ng bubong. Lagi ng bubong, Chick. Bye-bye, Chick. Bye-bye.